Hey, this is the demo for my new AR app. I made this in Unity. Uh, so this is on the lines of Pokemons fighting with each other. So as you can see that we have Lapras on the left and Dragonite on the right. If I take this, you can see that they they keep looking at each other. So the tracking is like really good. If I take this card out, so yeah, Lapras goes to sleep. Not the ideal way of going to sleep, but yes. But as soon as he's back, they're again in the fighting mode. So yeah, so yeah, that's one thing. So I'm kind of working on this. This is a mid-session demo. So yes, and yeah, so one thing is that they are always going to keep looking at each other, and so yeah, that's how it works. Anyway, I'll just restart the app once more so that we have a clean uh, demo. So yeah, okay, so yeah, we have this, we have Lapras loaded up, and we have Dragonite. They both are watching each other. So this is a two-player game. Dragonite attacks, and the score is increasing. Now Lapras attacks, you can see that the score is increasing. The health bar is there. Now I love Dragonite, so I'll make it win. So yeah. uh, and yeah, Dragonite wins, and you can see that both the buttons are disabled now, and there is a clear win thing. One more feature is that the UI elements, the win thing particularly, it it always looks at the user, and same as with the health bar. So yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions. Thanks.